SOFI update here on the 31st. So after I made that video yesterday, it made a new high, but then came back down this morning. You can watch the previous video if you want to get the longer term count, but this right here, again, it actually looks to me like this is 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. Let me zoom in here a little bit farther. And yeah, I'm looking for one more move higher. So this looks to me, especially on the hourly, if you look on the hourly, you can see it a little bit better. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm looking for one more move up. So I want to see this hold 1088. That's going to be the invalidation level because we're trying to make a 5-wave move here. And I'm actually leaning towards the market rebounding here into the election. And I think that that's going to be the short-term top for us, is what's most likely. So I'm looking for basically something like that pretty quickly too. It's probably going to be right into the election, I would imagine. I am leaning towards Apple and Amazon getting a boost from their earnings, which if the market bounces back, maybe we're up 1 or 2%, and then this can take off and make one more high here, and that would end the overall third wave. So we'd be up here for the third wave. Based on where the first wave ended, I guess it's kind of hard to say where this would end. I would say anywhere from maybe 11.70 to 12 bucks. Maybe it doesn't get all the way up to my original target, but I think the third wave is coming to an end. If you look at the timing of the first and second wave, this took 8 days. 8 days from the 29th is right around the election. It's about a day short. So we could be running all the way through Tuesday, somewhere up in here, and then I'm expecting that to be the end of wave 3. Because after the election, I think we're probably going to get a correction in the overall market. Obviously, could be wrong about that. They've kept it up for such a long time. It depends on what happens in the election. But if we do get a correction, I'm expecting it to be a wave 4. So we'd be sitting here going into the election like this. And then we'd have a correction. And then after that correction, run into the end of the year to whatever it wants to go to. It could stop here at 12, 13, 14 bucks, or all the way up here to 16 bucks. I've gone over that in previous videos where there's 3 different possibilities. If it stops here, that's like the bear scenario. Up here is ABC. Third wave is up here at 22 bucks. So overall, I think that this should be going to new highs over the next couple of days. But if it breaks below this right here, 1088, then you'll know that that's wrong. So there's your clear invalidation level. So if I'm wrong, you'll know, and we'll figure out where it goes from there. But right now, it just looks like it's waiting to shoot up here one more time to end the third wave. So, the election, I'm looking on QQQ at kind of like this. I haven't looked at IWM, so I can't really comment on that right now. But I'm looking at something like this on QQQ. Potentially down to the 200 DMA. So I think retracement and then sell off into maybe mid-November, maybe late November, and then retracement into the end of the year. So look for SOFI up here around probably 11.70 to 12 bucks, maybe higher. We'll see. But that's the current count I got. Invalidation one more time, 1088. That's it. Like, subscribe for more updates. I'll catch you in the next video.